Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. So, I would like to welcome all participants present today. First, Afiq Uzaini, Azimi, Anik, and Afiq Norizan. The purpose of today's meeting is to discuss and evaluate several proposed overseas trips and decide which one is the most suitable for us. We will consider factors such as cost, distance, learning value, cultural and social benefits, safety, and overall impact for students. After each proposal, I will invite comment, including agreement and disagreement, before summarizing the level of support for each option. By the end of this meeting, we aim to reach a well-informed decision that balances learning, experience, and practicality. As this is our first meeting regarding overseas trip proposal, there is no past business to review. We will proceed directly to the agenda. Today's agenda include 5 proposed trips: an educational trip to Japan, a cultural trip to Italy, a leisure trip and adventure trip to New Zealand, and a volunteer trip to Indonesia. Let us begin with the first proposal. I would like to invite Afiq Uzaini to present the first proposal. Please proceed, Afiq Uzaini.
Thank you, Ali. I would like to propose an educational trip to Japan. It's because Japan is well known for its advanced technology, more than our country, have strong discipline, and highly respected in their education system. During this trip, students can visit their universities, science museum, and technology centers, which has provide hands-on learning experience. Students will also experience Japanese culture that emphasize punctuality, responsibility, and respect. For the cost, the estimated cost is around 3,500 ringgit to 3,700 ringgit per person. Although it is relatively expensive, the learning opportunities and the knowledge that they will get is more valuable than their money that they spend on this trip. That's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Afiq. So right now we will now open the floor discussion. Azimi.
I think I fully agree with that because Japan's provide excellent academic exposure, especially in technology and innovation.
For me, I think I also agree is because experiencing Japan's structured learning environment can help students develop discipline and professionalism.
For me, I strongly agree. Japan offers the strongest balance between academic and cultural exposure.
Okay, thank you. Is it clear that all participants agree that the educational trip to Japan strongly support our academic objective? Let us move on to the next proposal. So the next proposal, now I will present the cultural trip to Italy. Italy is internationally recognized for its rich history, art, cultural heritage. Students, we will visit historical landmarks such as the Colosseum, Vatican City, and Florence. The estimated cost is around 3,200 per person. And yeah, that's all from me. We will now open the discussion.
Okay, I think I agree that Italy has strong cultural value and helps students understand European history.
I partially agree. While it is culturally enriching, the academic benefits are less direct.
For me, I disagree. The trip lacks practical learning and skill development.
For me, I disagree because compared to Japan trip that I mentioned earlier, this Italy does not provide strong academic exposure for students.
Okay, overall, Italy offers cultural value, but it does not meet our educational goals as effectively as Japan. Let us proceed to the next proposal. So the next proposal, I would like to invite Afiq Norizan to present the leisure trip proposal.
Thank you, Ali.
Welcome.
This leisure trip focus on relaxation and enjoyment. Students can explore tourist attraction, enjoy local cuisine, and strengthen friendship. The estimate cost is around RM2,500 per person. While the trip is enjoyable, it's offer limited academic or professional development. That's all from me.
Thank you. Okay, the discussion is now open. Azimi,
I think I particularly agree. It help with bonding, but lack learning value.
For me, I also partially agree. It is fun but does not provide structured educational benefits.
For me, I also disagree. Even though it's fun and help bonding, but it's not provide and also does not support our academic goals.
okay. The leisure trip is suitable for recreation but not ideal as a main educational trip. We will now move on to the next proposal. The next proposal is trip to New Zealand. Okay, Azimi.
Alright, New Zealand is known for its natural landscape and outdoor activity such as hiking and trekking. This trip encourages teamwork, physical endurance, and appreciation of nature. The estimated cost is around RM3,000 per person. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, thank you Azimi. The discussion is open. Afiq Uzaini, your opinion.
For me, I totally agree because the trip promotes physical fitness and also uh provide teamwork in this trip.
I agree. It helps develop outdoor and leadership skills.
For me, I disagree. Not all students may be physically fit for such activity.
Two participants agree while one disagree. Let us proceed to the final proposal. I would like to invite Anik Nafis to present the final proposal. Anik Nafis.
Thank Thank you, Ali. This my proposal is volunteer trip to Indonesia. This volunteer trip to Indonesia focuses on community service, including helping at orphanages and environmental programs. Students can develop empathy, leadership, and social responsibility. The estimated cost is around RM2,000 per person. That all from me.
Thank you, Anik Nafis. Discussion is now open. Azimi, your opinion.
I think I agree because it would social awareness and responsibility, I think.
For me, I agree with what Azimi has said, but I afraid that I would say that I am disagree because even though it's build social awareness and responsibility, firstly it's meaningful, but the cost may not be affordable for everyone. Do you guys think like that too?
But for me, I disagree. The professional benefits are limited.
Okay. Only one participant agree while the others partially agree or disagree. So now we move to the final summary. So after reviewing all proposals, the educational trip to Japan received the strongest support from all participants. It offered the best balance of academic value, global exposure, and long-term benefits. That concludes today's meetings. Thank you all for your active participation and valuable opinion. The educational trip to Japan is recommended as the final decision. Thank you, everyone.